How to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if your phone gets slow or doesn't work as it usually does, it may help to restore the factory default settings. All settings and configurations you've made on your phone will be deleted. So if you want to start the factory reset of your data, then slide two fingers downwards starting from the top of your screen. Then press on the settings icon, which will be on the top right. And under your settings, you need to go with the general management option. And under general management, tap on reset. And under reset, here on the bottom of your screen, you will have an option of factory data reset. So simply tap on factory data reset. And then tap on reset, which is on the bottom. And then here it says all your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and cannot be recovered. So simply tap on delete all and you'll be able to restore your factory default settings. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.